What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you one affiliate marketing software that I'm utilizing to make commissions. Now, first of all, let me show you quickly my results, and this is my affiliate dashboard for this product, Freedom Accelerator and the 72-hour challenge. And as you can see, I have right now $58 in unpaid earnings. So this company pays 40% recurring commissions, and as you may know, we as affiliate marketers, we can make a commission if someone buys from our affiliate links. Now let me go to the payouts so you can see my latest payments. So check this out. So I have been making commissions every single month by promoting this digital training. So this is a high ticket product that I promote, and basically this is my main core offer. So for example, I made here $454, $128, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making these commissions every single month. Now let me show you another example of my earnings. So this is for Funnel Freedom. So this is a software for email marketing, for building funnels and to collect emails and all that good stuff. And right now I have sent to this company 23 referrals, and I have $38 in unpaid earnings. So this company pays 40% commissions as well. So these two products, the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, and Funnel Freedom, are from Jonathan Montoya. Now let me show you the software that I'm utilizing to make commissions online. So the name is funnelfreedom.io, and here I have, for example, I can do a lot of stuff with this software, and I don't know what is the percentage of the software that I'm utilizing because I'm kind of new. But I have the calendars, the contacts, opportunities, payments, and all that good stuff. But I'm going to show you these tabs. For example, in the marketing tab, I have connected my Facebook page, which is this one, my Instagram account, and my TikTok account. So basically what I can do here is that I'm going to click here so you can see and this is all the social media that I can connect with Funnel Freedom. I can connect Google My Business, Facebook, Instagram. I can connect as well my LinkedIn account and the Twitter or X account and TikTok. And what I can do here is that I can post through Funnel Freedom in all of my social media. For example, I can click here on create new post. I can schedule automatic posts for my social media accounts. For example, I can click here my Facebook page and I can write the content. For example, click here or something like that. I can post this on my Facebook account and I can schedule all that post. So this is one of the cool features that Funnel Freedom has for people who wants to like schedule automatic posts for their social media. Now I'm going to show you one of the coolest things about Funnel Freedom that I'm utilizing to make commissions. And what I did is that I just click here on this tab where it says Funnel Freedom, because I'm going to show you how I'm promoting 15 different affiliate marketing products. So I'm going to click on affiliate link settings and check this out. Here I have all my affiliate links for these products: the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Legendary Marketer, Funnel Freedom, Secret of Success, System.io. And what I did here is that I copy and pasted my affiliate links inside of this page, and then I clicked on update affiliate links, and Funnel Freedom has a 7 figures don't produce system that we can utilize to make commissions with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you the sales funnel that is integrated inside of Funnel Freedom, because that was like my main reason to buy this software because it has this sales funnel. And this is essentially a done for you system, so you can copy and paste this system if you want. So let me click here on the opt-in page and check this out. So these are the funnel steps, and I'm utilizing this funnel to make commissions. So the first step is the free course opt-in page, and the second step is the bridge page. And then we have here all the members area, which is a free course that we are giving away in exchange for the email. So this is a simple page that I'm utilizing to promote all of those products that I just showed it to you, because what I'm doing is that I'm not sending traffic to all of those affiliate links. What I'm doing is that I'm sending traffic to this page, and then Funnel Freedom is promoting all of those products in the back end. So when people see this page, they will read this title, they will read this information, they will read here a free course. And when they click this button where it says take the free course, I can collect the name, the email, and if they want, they can write their phone number. They need to click here and then click on get instant access. And this is powerful. Why? Because once people opt in their information, Funnel Freedom is going to send this free course through email. Now let me show you quickly the free course, because inside of the free course I'm promoting all of those products that I will show it to you. So check this out. So this course has 7 lessons. So for example, the best side hustle online to quit your job, the fastest way to quit your 9-to-5 job, etc. So when people go, for example, to lesson number 1, so they will scroll down, they will watch this lesson, and this is a lesson from Jonathan Montoya. So I didn't create this free course, so we are utilizing the leverage of Jonathan Montoya to promote these products and to give this valuable information to other people who want to start an affiliate business. And so when people scroll down and click these buttons, for example, here it says join the 72-hour freedom challenge. So people will be clicking my affiliate link. So check this out. Here is going to appear. It's going to appear a link, and that link is for my 72-hour challenge freedom link. That is how I'm promoting multiple affiliate products, by giving away this free course. Because check this out. If I go to lesson number 7 and if people scroll down, they will find more buttons. So this button, it's for the Funnel Freedom software, and this one is for Freedom Accelerator. Now I'm going to show you one of the coolest things about promoting the 72-hour challenge and Funnel Freedom. So basically these are like 2 sales funnel to promote these different type of products, because one is a digital training and the other one is a software. But more importantly, what Jonathan Montoya has done recently is that I'm going to copy this and I'm going to open this opt-in page in a separate browser. So check this out. I'm going to show you right now my 2 affiliate links. So one of the latest updates of the 72-hour challenge is that when someone accesses this page, and if they write their information in this opt-in page, which is Jonathan Montoya sales funnel. So this is my affiliate link. So if someone write their information here, their name, their email, and their phone number, now that person will be hard coded to me if they buy Funnel Freedom, which is another sales funnel. And here is going to be the same thing. Is if someone click here to get the 14-day free trial, and if they write their information here, their name and their email, that person will be hard coded to me if they buy the 70-hour challenge. And that is cool, because if we are promoting, for example, if I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge and if to Funnel Freedom, which is the software that I'm showing to you right now, and I can make that commission if that person's buy, only because they put their information inside of the 72-hour challenge funnel. That is going to help all the affiliates who are promoting this product, because so essentially we just need to promote one funnel and we can make commissions with the other product. Now I'm going to go on the automation part, because moving on with this software Funnel Freedom, so when someone's opting in their information inside of my opt-in page, sometimes for a person to buy a product, it needs to have like 7 points of contacts. So people don't buy at the first interaction. That is why it's important to have an email sequence. And this email sequence is going to promote all those products that I will show it to you. And as you can see, I am promoting not only the 72-hour challenge and Funnel Freedom, I'm promoting multiple products. So check this out. For example, in the welcome sequence, I have 67 people enroll on this email sequence, and then we have the 80-day nurturing sequence, the first, the second one, the third one, up to the sixth one. And I'm going to click on this one so you can see what this is all about, because essentially what it's doing here of Funnel Freedom is that all the people who wrote their information, Funnel Freedom is going to send to them emails. So check this out. This is the first 80-day nurturing sequence. Okay, cool. So check this out. I have here one people waiting on this step, and this person is going to wait for 2 days to receive this email. Supporting offer number 2, legendary marketer. And check this out. I have here one person waiting on this step, so he is waiting for 1 day to receive this email. Review legendary marketer. So when people or my email list receive these emails, this one, or that one, and when they read those emails, they will find links inside of those emails, and inside of those emails people are going to find my affiliate links for the products that I just show it to you. They are going to find valuable information on how to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch, and they're going to receive as well free trainings. And basically this is how I'm promoting all of those products. And I didn't write any of these emails. So all these emails are integrated inside of Funnel Freedom. That is why I think Funnel Freedom it's one of the best software for affiliate marketers, beginners affiliate marketers, because we can learn. So first of all, we can utilize the system to make commissions, and also we can learn how to build this entire ecosystem of products in case that you want to like build an affiliate stacking ecosystem by yourself in another niche, because the done for you sales funnel is to promote products for the make money online niche, for the micro niche of high ticket affiliate marketing. But you can do this work for any of the other niches, for example the health and fitness and the relationship niche. So that being said, guys, that is how I'm making commissions with this software. So I'm not just making commissions by promoting the 72-hour challenge, which is my main core offer, and the Funnel Freedom, which is the tool or the software. I'm making commissions by promoting other different products. For example, I'm promoting Get Response, I'm promoting System.io, I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and I'm an affiliate for all of those products. Okay, so let's moving on. And my main traffic source is YouTube. What I'm doing is that I'm creating content, I'm creating YouTube videos For example, I have a video in which I talk about funnel freedom, and you are going to see that, check this out, this video has 156 views. I have another one, 39 views, and I have as well YouTube list. So let me see. Okay, this one, funnel freedom data tutorial. So this is a YouTube list of videos in which I talk about funnel freedom and also tutorials on how I'm using this software. And all this content, it's helping me to drive more customers to my ecosystem of products. And mainly, guys, those are the things that I'm doing to make commissions. I have this system that is working 24/7, and I'm creating content, and I'm helping people. I'm giving this valuable information to other people who want to start an affiliate marketing business from scratch, and if they want to utilize the software funnel freedom, they can. They have a 14-day free trial. If you want to check it out, you can click the link in the description. So that being said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel, click the notification